It happened in a quiet neighborhood. No one expected it until it was too late. On the 1st April 2025, the skies above Putra Height were lit by flames. A gas pipeline explosion shocked the nation. But are we really safe? This is more than just an accident.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are Group 2 presenting the case study of the Putra Heights gas explosion from an ethics and integrity perspective. This tragedy wasn't just an industrial accident, it was a failure of responsibility. On 1 April 2025, a gas pipeline exploded in Putra Heights, Selangor. Over 200 homes and shops were damaged, 145 people were injured. Earlier that morning, a gas leak was detected, but late action was taken.
The explosion happened at 8:08 am in the busy area of Putra Heights. The pipeline exploded was owned by the Petronas Gas Berhad. The stakeholders involved in this accident are the local authority, contractors, emergency services, and the public who were the victim.
Technically, the explosion was caused by soil movement that's stressing the pipeline, but the deeper problem caused this tragedy are no real-time monitoring, delayed response, ignore warning signs, and poor communication with the public. In simple words, these all problems are preventable. It's just not technical issues, but it's ethical issues that led to this tragedy.
From an ethics view, several principles were ignored. First, honesty, responsibility, and care for human life. Virtues like justice and transparency were missing. Instead of protecting the community, convenience and image were prioritized. This tragedy shows that ethics must guide safety decisions.
To prevent future disasters, we recommend install gas leak detectors and automatic shut-off systems, make gas safety certifications mandatory, enforce strict inspections, educate the public about gas safety, and build a culture of integrity and accountability. Safety must never be optional. It is a moral responsibility.
The Putra Heights explosion wasn't just about pipelines, it was about ethical failure. Let's ensure ethics guides every decision to protect lives in the future. Thank you for watching.